In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable/disable throttle downloads while streaming Steam. This quick setting helps you manage your network bandwidth so your game streams stay smooth and your downloads don't hog the connection. If you've ever noticed your stream stuttering while a big update runs in the background, this option is designed to prevent that by slowing downloads during streaming. And if you prefer full-speed downloads no matter what, you can turn it off just as easily. First, make sure you have the Steam Desktop app open on your computer. We'll start from the main Steam window. Look toward the very top left of the app and click the View menu. From that drop-down, select Downloads. This opens the Downloads page, where you can see your active and queued items, along with tools to control how Steam uses your bandwidth. On the Downloads page, move your attention to the top right corner and click the small gear icon. That icon opens the Download Settings panel. This is where Steam keeps the options that affect how and when your games and updates download, including the throttling tools we're after. In this settings panel, find the option labeled Throttle Downloads while streaming. To enable it, simply turn on the checkbox. When it's on, Steam will automatically slow down downloads whenever you're streaming, whether you're broadcasting gameplay, using remote play, or watching a stream through Steam. The idea is to prioritize a stable stream by freeing up bandwidth and avoiding conflicts that cause lag or buffering. If you want the opposite behavior, maybe you're not streaming often, or you prefer to keep downloads running at full speed, just uncheck that same box. Disabling it means Steam will not slow downloads during streaming. It's the exact same toggle, so you can switch it anytime based on what you're doing that day. A couple of quick tips as you apply this. If you share your internet connection with others or your network speeds vary, keeping the throttle enabled during streaming can prevent interruptions for everyone. If you're on a high-speed connection and rarely notice slowdowns, you might leave it off for maximum download performance. Remember, you can revisit this setting anytime using the same path. View at the top left, Downloads, then the gear icon at the top right, and toggle throttle downloads while streaming. And there you go. That's all you need to manage download throttling while streaming in Steam. Simple, effective, and just a few clicks to keep your stream smooth and your downloads under control.